Amazon Christmas is running huge offers all over the world, but many of you might not know about the mega deals and big savings on items. Here you'll find incredible discount of up 50% across all your favorite product categories. To make it even easier, we've rounded up the 8 best slice toaster on Amazon that you can save you a huge amount on Amazon. So don't forget to watch till the end. All the mentioned product deals, links are in the description below.
Number 8. The Elite Gourmet ECT1027B Cool Touch Toaster is a safe and versatile option for everyday kitchens. Its cool touch exterior adds peace of mind, especially in homes with children. The extra-wide 1.25-inch slots easily handle bagels, waffles, specialty breads, and even puff pastries without sticking. With 6 temperature settings, it offers precise control to achieve your preferred level of browning. The 2-slice capacity is ideal for small households, dorms, or offices. Simple controls make it easy to use, while the removable crumb tray allows quick cleanup. ETL certification ensures reliable safety standards and dependable performance. Compact and lightweight, this toaster fits neatly on any countertop. Overall, it provides consistent toasting, practical safety features, and great value for anyone seeking a compact, user-friendly toaster.
Number 7. The 2-slice extra-wide slot toaster is a convenient and versatile appliance designed for everyday use. Its extra-wide slots easily fit bagels, thick bread, English muffins, and specialty loaves without tearing or squeezing. With adjustable browning controls, you can toast your bread just the way you like, from lightly golden to crisp. The compact size makes it a great choice for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or office break rooms. A high lift lever allows safe removal of smaller slices, while the removable crumb tray helps keep your countertop clean. Simple, user-friendly controls make operation quick and hassle-free, even on busy mornings. While it focuses on essential functions, this toaster delivers consistent performance and dependable results, making it a practical and affordable option for daily toasting needs. Number 6. The Amazon Basics 2-slice toaster is a simple, budget-friendly option that delivers reliable, everyday performance. Its extra-wide slots easily accommodate bagels, thick-cut bread, and specialty loaves without jamming. With 6 browning settings, you can customize toast to your preferred level, from lightly warmed to crisp and golden. The straightforward controls make it easy to use, even during rushed mornings. A high lift lever allows safe removal of smaller slices, while the removable crumb tray helps keep countertops clean. The compact design fits comfortably in small kitchens, dorm rooms, or offices without taking up much space. While it focuses on essential features rather than extras, this toaster offers consistent results and solid value, making it a practical choice for anyone seeking dependable toasting at an affordable price. Number 5. The BLACK+DECKER 4-slice toaster is a dependable choice for households that need speed and flexibility. With extra-wide slots, it easily accommodates bagels, thick bread, and pastries without squeezing. The powerful 1400-watt performance ensures fast, even toasting, while the 7 shade settings let you fine-tune browning to your preference. Dedicated frozen and bagel buttons add convenience, making it simple to toast frozen items or perfectly brown bagels. The easy-to-use toast shade selector keeps operations straightforward for all users. Its sturdy build and clean design fit well in any kitchen setup. A removable crumb tray helps maintain a tidy countertop and quick cleanup. Overall, this toaster delivers reliable performance, practical features, and great value for families or busy kitchens. Number 4. The Mueller UltraToast full stainless steel toaster is a powerful and stylish upgrade for larger households or frequent entertainers. Its 4 long, extra-wide slots easily handle bagels, waffles, thick artisan bread, and standard slices with even results. The stainless steel construction gives it a premium look while ensuring durability and easy cleaning. Multiple browning settings allow precise control, so everyone gets toast just the way they like it. Useful functions such as defrost, reheat, and cancel add everyday convenience, especially during busy mornings.
Independent slot controls help manage different toasting needs at the same time. The removable crumb tray keeps cleanup simple and mess-free. Overall, this toaster combines capacity, performance, and sleek design, making it an excellent choice for efficient, consistent toasting in modern kitchens.
Number 3. The Elite Gourmet ECT3100 Long Slot 4-Slice Toaster is a practical option for families and busy kitchens. Its long, extra-wide slots easily fit 4 standard slices or longer artisan breads, bagels, and waffles. With 6 adjustable toast settings, you can customize browning to suit different preferences. The reheat, defrost, and cancel functions add flexibility, making it easy to warm pastries or toast frozen bread quickly. A standout feature is the built-in warming rack, perfect for gently heating croissants or rolls without over-toasting. The sleek design looks great on the countertop, while the removable crumb tray makes cleanup simple. Overall, this toaster offers versatile performance, user-friendly controls, and excellent value for anyone needing a spacious, dependable toaster. Number 2. The Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster is designed for kitchens where space and style matter. Its ultra-slim, fits-anywhere design easily slides into tight spots on countertops, shelves, or even inside cabinets. Despite its compact size, it delivers reliable toasting performance with 6 shade control settings, allowing you to achieve everything from lightly toasted to golden brown. The reheat and cancel buttons add everyday convenience, making breakfast prep quick and stress-free. Extra-wide slots accommodate various bread types, including bagels and artisan slices. The sleek, modern look enhances any kitchen decor while remaining easy to clean. Overall, this toaster is a smart choice for small kitchens, dorms, or anyone looking for a slim, functional, and affordable toasting solution. Number 1. The Cuisinart CPT122BK 2-Slice Compact Plastic Toaster is a reliable and stylish choice for everyday toasting needs. Its compact design fits easily on small countertops, making it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or minimalist kitchens. The toaster features multiple browning settings, allowing you to customize your toast from lightly golden to perfectly crisp. Wide slots accommodate bagels, bread, and pastries, while the high lift lever makes it easy to remove smaller items safely. With convenient functions like reheat, defrost, and cancel, it offers flexibility for busy mornings. The sleek black finish looks modern and clean, complementing most kitchen decor. Overall, this toaster delivers consistent performance, simple operation, and great value for anyone seeking a dependable, space-saving appliance.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.